Yeah, it's gone. Bounce it. That's fucking gone. I can't ride that. That's not fit for purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, public information video. Yes, it is, because I feel people should know. This is a demo bike. It's been given to me by BMW as they dropped off my replacement bike 2.5 weeks ago, and I realised there was a suspension fault on it. But the suspension fault is quite unusual. It does not tell you on the dash that there is a fault. Everyone remembers all the brown writing that was appearing all over the dash telling you problems with radar, problems with mirrors, problems with starting, problems with compression. No, this doesn't tell you. The first thing I knew about it was I was riding out of Richard. I was in front of him on the M, and because this is quicker than the M, yes it is, and I was very aware that something was an issue. So go and check your bike, and what your bike shouldn't do is this: play video. Yeah, it's gone. Bounce it. That's fucking gone. I can't ride that. That's not fit for purpose. So go and check your bike, get behind it and bounce it. Bounce it as much as you can. It shouldn't bounce around. It should have some suppression. You'll know straight away because it will feel like a 1980s Honda CB600 with no oil in the shocks. Remember those days where it's just bouncing? It's called pogo sticking, and mine did it front and rear. They fixed it once and did it again. Now the reason I'm telling you is because I feel that if you didn't know about this, if you hadn't ridden this bike already, you'd just taken delivery of one, I don't think you'd spot it. I think you'd have to be a seriously experienced rider to note there's something wrong with the suspension. And I do actually believe it's a bit dangerous. First thing I noticed was in a bend going through Ship Lake, when it started hitting bumps, back end was skipping around. But if you're just poodling along in normal GS way, you're not going to know. You're going to know when you need to brake. You're going to know when you're hitting potholes, and you're going to know when you're in the ditch. End of story. So this is why I want to tell people. I don't care of the consequences if there are any for me. My bike's in for repair. BMW doing a fantastic job. The guys at Barnstormer have taken it in. They've diagnosed it. It's having a new suspension unit, a new control unit. It's sorted. Not an issue. Don't want another bike, not interested in that. I want my bike back. They're doing that for me, and I'm really, really pleased with that. All I want to do is to tell you guys what I've been through, and I want you guys to go out and check your bikes. Grab hold of them, take them off the side stand, and give them a bounce. You'll know, because it will do this. Watch the video. Now, I'm playing it now. Yeah, it's gone. Bounce it. That's fucking gone. I can't ride that. That's not fit for purpose. Keep an eye on the channel. Watch the update. Thanks for watching. Hope you find this useful. I really hope no one finds this, but I have a suspicion they will. If you do, message me. Thanks guys and girls.